Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Anydesk and immediately granting the permissions it needs. This speeds connection and screen sharing. Once done, open the app and either sign in or continue without an account, because the app still gives you an address to connect. Make sure you write down or copy the numeric Anydesk ID shown on the main screen. If you see a permission request for local network or microphone, accept it so remote control and audio work correctly. You now enter the remote Anydesk ID and tap Connect. While waiting, explain to the remote user to accept the incoming request. Once connected, select View Only or Remote Control depending on whether you need control. Adjust permissions like file transfer and clipboard sharing so both sides can move files or copy text. Also, make sure to set display quality. Lower if the network is slow, and use touch gestures. To finish, tap the red disconnect button and confirm to close the session cleanly. This prevents lingering control. If you need extra security, go to iPad settings and revoke Anydesk permissions after the session. If something goes wrong, check Wi-Fi or mobile data, force close and reopen Anydesk, and ensure both devices run the latest app version. If the remote cannot connect, have them restart their device. These quick steps resolve most connection and permission issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.